Okay, welcome students. See, in this video, we will discuss the various types of ellipse. Of course, we discussed two types already in our previous videos. Two more forms are there. Okay, again I will discuss the previous one also to get a clear idea. See, what is our ellipse? X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, where a is greater than b. And one more is there. See, before that I will draw a diagram. See, this is our ellipse. This is A dash. The center is C, B, B dash. This is a minor axis. A dash is the major axis. S dash are foci of the ellipse, and C is given. And this is a one side of the directrix, and the second one is the this is the second side of the directrix. Let it be L equal to 0, this is L1 equal to 0, and this part is Z, this is Z dash, and L dash, this is the lattice rectangle, or you write this is small l, this is small l dash. This one also, and the side of the lattice rectangle. See, I will write some points here. These are all true for this ellipse. See, first one. Please refer in your previous videos here. What is center? Center. See, the coordinates of center are 0, 0. Next, after center, next focus. S equal to, the coordinates of focus A, 0, the one side, and the side S dash, this one equal to minus A, 0, or you can write plus or minus A, 0. After S, what is vertices? A equal to, same A, 0, A dash equal to minus A, 0. Next, fourth one, after vertices, let's see, this is the directrix. It means equation of directrix. This line is passing through the point A by E, 0. So equation equal to x equal to A by E. So this side also one more directrix is there. So you can write directly x equal to plus or minus A by E. Now, next, length of lattice rectum equal to 2b square by A. Already you proved. These results already you proved. Next, is there anything? Okay. Eccentricity equal to E equal to A square minus B square by A square under root 2. Okay, sixth one. Now, length of major axis equal to, 2A, that is A dash, and length of minor axis equal to 2B. See, these are all the, everybody know these results. So these are all true for our ellipse x square by A square plus y square b square A, and x square by A square plus y square by b square equal to 1, and A equal to, A is greater than B. A is greater than B. So we already discussed these points in our previous class. Now see, suppose a parabola is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, where a is less than b. A less than b. Here, in this condition, a is greater than b. In this one, we a less than b. See, draw a diagram. What happened here? See, now this is our ellipse. Okay, you can take this one x-axis here. This is y dash x. Here also, this is x dash, y dash. This is center. Now for this one, this is a, this is a dash, b dash. Already you know. Next, this is focus S, and this one is L dash. Here also second focus. This is L1 or L dash. Here L1 dash. See, is there anything left? Okay. This is directrix. This is the other side of the directrix. See, let me write these results here. See, first one, center C equal to 0, 0. See here, this is A dash is here minor axis, B dash is the major axis. Whereas in this type of ellipse you have A dash is the major and B dash is the minor axis. Okay. Next, after center, what is focus? S equal to, see, here A comma 0. We have x coordinate. Here x coordinate equal to 0 and y coordinate equal to b. Or I will write s dash equal to 0 comma minus b. This side. Okay. Now third one, vertices. Vertices means here you have to write here A, here B. What are the coordinates of B? B coordinates, the x coordinate of B equal to 0 and B, and B dash equal to 0 comma minus B. See, these are the vertices of the okay. Now we have to write okay is over, vertices over. Okay, next, fourth one, equation of directrix. See, here this is the directrix in this figure. That is that directrix is passing through the point or intersecting the x-axis at a point here x equal to a by e. See, in this, what is the equation of directrix here? Y equal to here a by e, here equal to plus or minus b by e. Plus or minus b by e. It means this is y equal to minus b by e. This is y equal to b by e. Next, what is the fifth one? Length of latus rectum. Here also, length of latus rectum. Here, see, if you take A dash as a major and B dash as a minor axis, that is length of the latus rectum 2b square by A. Here, 2a square by b. This is the length. And what is eccentricity? Eccentricity, ECCNTRS, eccentricity of this type of ellipse equal to, here see, b square minus a square by b square under root, because b is greater than a. So, you have to write b square minus a square. Here, a square minus b square is greater than. And that too, we already proved the eccentricity of a standard form of this type of ellipse equal to under root of a square minus b square by a square. And next, length of major axis. See, in this figure, this is the major axis. That's why that is its value equal to a, and this one is minor axis. That is 2b. See, in this type of ellipse, it means when a is less than b, what is the major axis? Major axis is this one, thus its value equal to 2b. And eighth one, length of minor axis. minor axis equal to 2a. See, these results are true for this type of ellipses. See, here you observe, you have taken the center is 0, 0 in both type of ellipses. Suppose if a center is not 0, what happened? See, let me write here. See here. What is that one? Suppose this is first type of ellipse. Second, let it be third one. X square by see this one x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equal to 1. Same when a is greater than b. See, when a is greater than b. Okay. Here this one is x square by this one also same x minus h whole square by here x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equal to 1, where same a is less than b. So we have to discuss these two more types of ellipse. Already we discussed these two in our previous videos. Now see, same figure almost here. See, slight difference. What is the slight difference? Here we have taken the center is at origin. See, in this figure the center is not origin. We have to take another one. See, A dash, B dash, C. Same, S dash, L dash. This is a L dash is the one side of the lattice rectangle. Here second one L1 dash. Okay. This is okay. One thing you do, you extend this one. This is a lattice rectangle, and here also this is a this is a directric axis. Directric axis. Okay. Small l equal to 0, small l dash equal to 0. Is there anything left here? Same I have written. Or this is coordinates z1, this is z. See, everything we have written here. See, slight difference here. What is the difference? You shifted the origin C 0 to a point h comma k. Then what are the results? We have to observe. Here see, first one, center C equal to h comma k. We shifted origin to the point h comma k. Then what happened? The center is h comma k. The center is h comma k. Next, after center, next yes, focus. F-O-C-U-S. Focus. What is in this type of the coordinates? A, comma 0. When the center is 0, comma 0, this is the focus of this type of ellipse. Now here the ellipse center is h comma k. And what happened here? This one equal to h plus ae. See here actually 0 plus ae, and here 0 taken because center is at 0. So I have to shifted that point. So then the y coordinate equal to k, h plus ae. This is s. What is s dash? S dash equal to same h minus ae comma k, because here these coordinates are minus ae comma 0. That's where we have written h comma a, h minus ae comma, this is k. Now see, after focus we have the next vertex. Vertices a equal to, see what are the coordinates of here vertices? A comma 0. See, when the center is at 0 comma 0, here our center is h comma k. See what happened here? H, what are the coordinates of a? Here a comma 0, here h plus a comma k. H plus a comma k, and second one a dash equal to h minus a comma k. See, after vertices, what is the next one? Equation of the directrix. See, fourth one, equation of the directrix. See, what is the directrix here? Here x equal to a by v when origin is 0 or the center is 0. Here, what is our center? H comma k. So, equation of directrix equal to x equal to h plus or minus a by e, because this part you have two directrix. Here also two directrix. So one is with plus, second one is with minus. Now fifth one, equation of the directrix. After that, length of the lattice rectum. See, length of lattice rectum. Same. What happened here? 2b square by a. See, length of the lattice rectum equal to 2b square by a. Is there any left here? And okay, eccentricity. Eccentricity, ECCNTRICITY. E equal to same, a square minus b square by a square under root. Next, seventh one, length of major axis equal to 2a, same, and length of minor axis equal to 2b. See, this is the results when the origin is other than 0, 0. It means h comma k. See, for this type you will observe. See, next you take diagram here. These two are actually instruments. They are two are one and same, but we shifted the origin. Same. These are old axis. These are all old axis. See, if center C, same figure. This is S, this is S dash. So draw. This is L, L dash. This one also L1, L1 dash. Okay. Center over. These are vertices. See, this one B dash, A dash. Okay. Next, we have to draw the over everything you have done. This is directrix. This part B. This is directrix. One thing you do. Okay, this is B. This one is directrix. Okay. Same. Write all the results here. Center, that is 0, 0. Next, what is focus? What is focus here? Focus S equal to H. See, here the point lies on the y axis. So, what is focus? H, comma, K plus or minus B, or one with plus, and S dash equal to H, comma, K minus B. You observe here H plus AE, comma, K, because the axis is parallel to x-axis. Here the axis is parallel to the y-axis. So we have S equal to H, comma, K plus BE, or S dash equal to H, comma, K minus BE. Okay, you can write S equal to H, comma, K plus or minus BE. No problem. Now third one. What is third one? Vertices. Vertices means here B and B dash. What is B? See here B, vertices equal to, in this figure, I have to observe, B equal to 0, comma B and 0, comma minus B. Here what happened in this figure? What happened? B equal to H, okay, x coordinate no change, and y coordinate equal to K plus, here see, K plus the vertices. Where is the vertices here? 0, comma minus B, 0, comma B. In this figure, the vertices equal to K plus BE, and second one, this one, H comma K minus BE. Okay, these are vertices of B and B dash. And fourth one, what is fourth one? Equation of the directrix. Equation of the directrix. See what happened? Y equal to plus or minus B by E. Equation of directrix is plus or minus B. Here K plus or minus B. See, same. Here the origin is or the center is 0. I have to add K. Next, fifth one. What is fifth one? Length of lattice rectum. Same 2a square by b. There will be no change. And sixth one. What is the eccentricity? See, eccentricity E equal to, here A is greater than, A is less than B. It means B is greater than. So same formula. B square minus A square by B square under root. And seventh one, major axis or length of major axis. In this figure, the major axis equal to 2B and minor axis equal to 2A. See, these are all 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, these two are we discussed in previous videos, and these two are new to today's class. See, these are all are true for the the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square. See, you have to remember all these. Of course, these are not difficult. If you remember these two, you can easily write the center, focus, vertex with the equation of the direction, the length of the what is the length of the lattice rectum, eccentricity, everything you can find easily. See, once you go through these 4 types of ellipses to solve the further problems. Okay, thank you.